Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Magic in the Air on piano easy method. Start by learning the main 4-bar motif with your right hand. Then add left hand broken chords to outline harmony. Practice hands separately for several minutes. Then combine at a slow tempo, keeping motion relaxed. Use small, frequent practice sessions and a metronome to build consistency and confidence as you increase tempo gradually. Warm and relaxed, the right hand carries the tune, so learn each small phrase and sing it mentally as you play. Keep fingers curved and use consistent fingering to avoid tension, repeating each chunk until it feels natural. Gradually connect phrases and maintain steady rhythm, letting small improvements add up into a smooth, flowing melody that sounds magical even at an easy pace. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more lessons. Quick recommendation: Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice scene here to keep things fresh and fun while you practice, and check the description for the link and other deals. It's a silly little boost between takes that keeps the vibe light. Now let's get back to the video. The left hand provides harmonic color, so choose simple broken chords or alternating bass notes to support the melody. Aim for a relaxed wrist and minimal movement between chord shapes, practicing patterns slowly until smooth. Balance volume so the left hand supports but never overpowers, and adjust touch to create a warm, airy accompaniment that complements the right hand melody without cluttering the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.